Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable or remove the login password from your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, click on this Windows icon and then click on the settings icon here, which is going to open this settings window. In here you just need to click on the accounts button, and in the accounts section on the left hand side you just need to choose the sign in options, and in the sign in options you will be able to see this password section here. So you just need to click on the change button which says change your account password. So I'm going to click on change, and once you click on change you just need to give your current password. Whatever is your current password you just need to provide here, and then click next, and you will be able to see this kind of window. Now you can give a new password here, or you can just leave both of these password fields as empty. So when you leave both these password field empty, then you don't need to provide any password at the time of login. And in the password hint you can provide any hint, for example no password here, and then I'm going to just click on next, and then I'm going to click on finish. So once this is finished, I'm going to just close this settings window and let's check whether it works or not. So I'm going to just click on this Windows icon, and then I'm going to just click on power, and then I'm going to restart my machine. And once it's restarted, we are going to see if we can log in without password. So now my Windows 10 operating system has been started and I see this window, and then when I click on the sign in button here, it doesn't ask me any password and I have been directly logged into my Windows 10 operating system. So this is how you can remove the password or disable password on your Windows 10 operating system. Now let me show you one more way of removing the password. So for that you just need to right click on your Windows icon. So right click, not left click, but right click on your Windows icon, and then click on computer management. And once this computer management window is open, you just need to go under the systems tools. You will find local users and groups. You just need to expand this section which says local users and group, and then click on users section here. So just click on the users here and you will be able to see all the users which are related to your Windows 10 operating system. So my username is here codebind, so I want to change the password of this user. In your case this will be your username. Whatever username you have, you just need to click on that and then right click on the username which you want to set the password of, and then just click on set password and then click proceed. And here also you will be able to see this new password section. So you just need to leave this new password field and confirm password field as blank, and then you just need to click OK, and this will allow you to log in without your password. Okay, so you just need to leave these field as blank for not setting any password. So this is the second way of removing or disabling password on your Windows 10 operating system. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.